A story uncovered by the New York Times highlighted the active attempts by U.S. representatives to impede a UN resolution on breast milk from passing at the Health Assembly. I'm Bhavsar, and this is Differential Now. Let's dive in. A resolution hotly debated early this spring focused on raising awareness around the importance of breastfeeding for infants while actively working against misleading products that sell substitutes for a mother's milk. The U.S. worked to modify the resolution in hopes of taking away restrictive language that may have placed unnecessary hurdles for mothers seeking to provide nutrition to their children. This is according to the U.S. State Department. The resolution that was eventually passed did not change too drastically, but it did include some language that the U.S. delegates preferred. With this, the U.S. medical organizations came out in defense of the original resolution that called on all world governments to protect, promote, and support breastfeeding and to limit misleading marketing of formula milk. The American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, ACOG, the American Academy of Pediatrics, AAP, and a number of other medical organizations reiterated their support for breastfeeding in posts on social media. Physicians with a background in global public health asserted that malnutrition and poverty are the precise settings where you would absolutely need to breastfeed, and that poor women in wealthier countries may dilute expensive formula milk to make it last longer, potentially leading to nutritional deficits in the child. So why the big controversy between formula and breast milk? What's the main difference? Well, breast milk provides a few different benefits that formula often doesn't. One of the major benefits of breast milk includes the transition and passage of antibodies. The mother's antibodies pass on to the baby, increasing the immune system of the young infant. Another benefit that might be coming from breast milk is the reduction of sudden infant death syndrome. It might be noted that breast milk might prevent the incidence of sudden infant death syndrome. Studies have shown that using breast milk reduces the incidences of obesity, of diabetes, of asthma, of leukemia, of Hodgkin's lymphoma, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma in the future in your child. Now, these are all studies, these are suggestions, these might occur with breast milk. It's not necessarily confirmed as an exact science. And another reason why breast milk might be better for the infant is that it's easy to digest and prevents your child from being gassy or having any sort of indigestion. Well, formula, on the other hand, is usually a safe alternative when it's taken from the right sources, and formula provides convenience. It allows mothers to work on a flexible schedule, allows more interplay between the mother, her partner, and the child. It allows the mother to eat whatever she wants without any sort of restrictions, without worrying too much about what might affect the child. So that's the discussion between formula and breast milk. What do you think? Do you think these differences constitute different resolutions? Let us know in the comments below. Well, that's a scoop for this week's Differential Now. What do you think? Do you agree with the U.S. government's stance on increasing access to formula for women? Or do you feel that the original language in the resolution should have been kept as is? Check out the link on the screen for more information on this issue. Well, thanks so much for tuning in. As always, I'm Bhavsar with Medscape Medical Students on the Differential Now. See you next time.